Hi guys, today's video is gonna be super exciting because I will be reviewing Plum's body mist, perfumes, body wash, body oils and all the products I got from Plum. I have been trying them out for a few while now, so I know exactly which one worth your money and which one you might want to skip. So welcome to my YouTube channel Glow and Grow with Piyasha, and don't skip and watch till the end. In my collection, I have 4 kinds of perfumes, different variety of body mist and some body oils, body washes. Also, I have some extra products I bought from Plum. I will be reviewing all of them. So let's start one by one. Starting from the body mist, I bought this vanilla body mist. I have 3 full-size bottles. Before coming to review the product, I really want to say something about these products. These 3 products are of exact similar variant and from exact similar range. Plum Body Loving Body Mist Vanilla Vibes. But can you see the colors? All the 3 colors are different. The first thing that kinda shook me was this color. How can the color of the same 3 bottles can so different? Like it's kind of pinkish and it's kind of reddish, it's kind of brownish. Can you guys see the difference? But smell wise, the vanilla mist, which one is much more pinkish, gives a strong fragrance at the first and slowly it fades away to vanilla smell. Like after 30 seconds, it smells totally like vanilla. Whereas this one, which one is much more darker, that does not give any strong fragrance at the first. You have to just wait 2-3 seconds to get that vanilla smell. I would say the more dark brown colors are better than the light pink one. The smell is sweet, cozy and perfect for everyday wear. I wear it every day to my college, but to be honest, longevity wise, it only stays up to 2 hours, not more than that. So whoever says it stays up to 2-3 hours, that's totally a lie. Only when you apply, you will get that strong vanilla smell. After that, your body will only smell like vanilla. No one will get that smell from you. It only stays up to 2 hours. So don't spray right onto your body. Use some body oil, then only spray, then it will stay longer. Next one, I have this Bath and Body whole combo. Let's open it. It's kind of this. Can you guys see? It is also Plum Body Loving Vanilla Mist, but this is the 100 ml one. And this is the 150 ml one. Can you guys see? I used both. But why the color is too different from 100 ml and 150 ml? I also searched in YouTube and other platforms, but no one really picked up this thing that the colors of the each mist is too different. So I really want to know, if you guys know, comment down below. I would love to know why the color is so different. So from this range, I used this body wash. You can see. For me, the body wash really just like a normal body wash with a strong vanilla smell. And you will not get the vanilla smell after you go out of shower. Only when you will bath, then the loofah will smell like vanilla and then your body will smell like vanilla. So it's just like a normal body wash with a strong vanilla smell. But it makes your shower time feels like a luxury bath, like a Starbucks shower moment. After that, this body oil, I have this in 100 ml in the gift set box. Also, I have another body oil in 150 ml. Can you guys see the same problem in this too? 100 ml and 150 ml. The color of the 2 products is so different. While the 2 of the products is of same variety, that is Plum Body Loving Body Oil Vanilla Vibes. Also, the ingredients list are all same. But anyway, even if the color is different, these 2 are my favorite products from all this. Like when you take some on your hand, even if it's much more, can you guys see the runny texture? It's not at all oily. It does not stick your body. Once you apply it, you will get that glow suddenly. It is not at all sticky. I even apply it on my neck in summertime, but I don't feel anything on my body. The body oil is best among all of this. It is too much lightweight. The smell is too good. And to be honest, the smell stays more than 2 hours. I would definitely say if you layer 3 of this, body wash, body oil and then the body mist. Also, if you put your body mist over the body oil, then the smell will last lot more than 2 hours. I would say 3 to 4 hours it will last. See, all of these 3 things, I have used half of this and then only I am reviewing. To the next body mist, this is Plum Body Loving Moon Kissed Drama Body Mist. To be honest, I love it more than the vanilla one. It's written that the fragrance notes are blackberry and floral, sweet and rose, and the base is of vanilla. But I would totally agree with what all is written. It gives that floral, sweet and fresh vibes. You can see how much I used, like this much. This one is my favorite body mist from Plum. I don't know why it is not popular. The Moonkissed one is much more better than Vanilla Vibes. Also, it stays so much longer than the Vanilla Vibes. The Vanilla Vibes only stays for 2 hours, hardly, but it stays 3 to 4 hours even if you use it on your clothes. And if you use it on your clothes, your clothes will have the smell whole day. Also, when you spray it, it gives that sudden floral smell. And after some time, you will feel too fresh and you will look like you just came out of bath. I also bought some of their perfumes, which you can see that I used this one this much, and I like this one this much that even I restocked it. So as you can see, even if the packet is of this size, the bottle is only this much. So it's like 50 ml. One says that this perfumes is just the richer and stronger version of the vanilla mist. I would not agree so, because the vanilla smell in this perfume is totally different from the mist. It gives that warm smell. I got a lot of compliment wearing this perfume. So when you apply it, it will give the sudden smell of cupcakes, and after some times it will change into that pure vanilla smell. Even if someone goes by your side, they will purely compliment you. I got 2-3 compliments wearing this perfume, and this is one of my favorite from their perfume range. It lasts much longer than the mist. It lasts up to 4 to 5 hours. If you want to try any vanilla perfumes and you are just a beginner, so surely go for it. Here comes the OG, my favorite. If you want to buy some perfume that will make you feel like you are sitting in Starbucks, this is the one. You want to eat yourself. The waffle smell, the brownie smell kind of. This is Plum Body Loving Oso Pistachio perfume. I would say it's better than the vanilla one. I got more compliments wearing this one than that one. Check out the color of the bottle. Like, I want to eat that bottle. It really looks like pista. The fragrance notes are too different. If you are bored of vanilla, just buy this one. This one will make your day. Stays much more longer than the vanilla perfume. I know both are from the same range, but the pistachio one stays up to 6 to 7 hours. Spray it on your pulse point and leave it for 2 minutes. After that, smell yourself. You will love yourself. You will fall in love with your smell. If the one product I have to recommend from the whole video, just go for this perfume, the pistachio. So I bought this moisturizer from Plum. It's just too good. Look at the texture of the moisturizer. It's like too lightweight and watery. It claims it has rice water and niacinamide. I am using it for 1 month now. Look at the glow. And it will dry up in seconds. So if you have oily skin and you are looking for a moisturizer, just go for this moisturizer. I'm also using currently this moisturizer. Look at my hand. It's not sticky at all and it dries up in seconds. So I just love the moisturizer. Also, I bought their vitamin C serum. I have used too many vitamin C serum, but I have to say this one is my favorite. This one does not really feel you are wearing a vitamin C serum. It really helps me with my pimples and it fades my dark spots. Also, I have this Plum hand cream. Like, if you want your hand to smell like your body also, you have to buy it. The smell notes is too similar with the body mist, so it will feel like you are wearing a cream rather than a body mist. And these are some freebies I got from them. These are some of the body lotions. My favorite have to be this marshmallow melt, this chocolate one. I was too bored of the vanilla smell, so I love this chocolate smell now. I did something. That vanilla caramel one is again smells exactly like the vanilla body mist and the body wash. If you have enough with the vanilla, then you can skip it. Another one is this, which is Lily Mist, and it has SPF 35 PA+++. It has that strong floral smell. So they gave me this little freebie of one shampoo and one hair serum. I would say these two are not of that extraordinary side. This is just some simple shampoos which will clear your scalp. Hair serums also smell like coconut, not that coconut oil. It really gives that slow, calm fragrance and your hair will smell good. So that's the only work these two do. I would say if you don't want to buy this body mist, then you can totally skip it. Or if you want to try some vanilla smell under your budget, then you can buy it. The body wash is nothing, just the vanilla smell. Like this M Caffeine one, these two have exact similar smell. Also, if you don't want to smell like vanilla, you can just go for this Dove body wash. If you really want to buy a body mist, go for this Moonkissed one. And for perfumes, this Oso Pistachio one is my one of the favorite. The vanilla one is also not bad, but from this two, I will choose always this one. Also, you can buy the body oil. It's far better than the body mist. And if you want some budget-friendly perfume, I have some alternatives. You can just buy this Miniso one, which is just 100 rupees, and it smells exactly like vanilla and coconut together. So if you want some really floral smell, then I would really recommend this Water Girl perfume. It is Clear Water Girl French Peony, and the smell, it's too good. Overall, these Plum products are really cute, fun packaging, and all smells like dessert. So that's it for today. Comment below if you love the video, and let me know if you love to see the layering of these fragrances how I do. And also, if you love to see skincares and makeup videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye!